Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on add another account. Go ahead and click on Google. Enter your lock security pattern. Go ahead and enter the Gmail ID right. Once you enter the Gmail ID, proceed to next. Go ahead and enter the account password. Go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and click on I agree. Go ahead and add your recovery mail right here. Go ahead and click on save. Skip this for now. An account has been added successfully. For you to confirm, go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then you have the second account right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Google and Gmail account, consider to subscribe. It's that simple. You can easily switch from one account to another account. To switch for the new added account, click on here and you'll be taken to the second account. It's that simple. Go back to the profile icon, switch back to the previous account. You can maneuver from one account to another in your Gmail. So this is how to simply add a second Gmail account to your phone on your Gmail app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on about how best to use your Gmail account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.